Here's how to swap your Ethereum assets to Bitcoin using Dexifier 2.0. To get started, let's head over to Dexifier.com. Next, let's click Connect Wallet, and we can choose from tens of available wallets to swap with. For this tutorial, we will use the MetaMask wallet. So let's click on MetaMask and approve the connection within the wallet. Now we can see the balance of the wallet and all the tokens inside of it across 68 chains, including Bitcoin. Let's select the token we want to swap from as Ethereum and the token we want to swap to as Bitcoin. Once we do this, we can now put in the number of tokens to swap, and Dexifier will automatically generate several routes which the transaction can be processed with. We can filter these routes based on fees, speed, and much more. For this tutorial, we will use the recommended route. Now let's click on Swap Dexifier. Will now require us to confirm the Ethereum wallet, which in our case is MetaMask, and then we need to provide a Bitcoin wallet address as well. We can do this by connecting our Bitcoin wallet directly to Dexifier or providing a custom BTC address. For this tutorial, we will connect our XDEFI wallet to Dexifier, and then we can click Swap. Once we do that, Dexifier will now proceed to start swapping our Ethereum tokens to Bitcoin. The transaction may require a few approvals in our wallet. Now we can sit back and relax and allow Dexifier do all the hard work for us. Once the swap is complete, we can check to see our Bitcoin tokens successfully credited into our XDEFI wallet. There are tens of blockchains and hundreds of token combinations you can explore with Dexifier. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to Dexifier.com today to get started.